So in today's video, I got my hands on an Apple Watch, and this particular one, the screen completely separated away from the actual frame. There's no clean break, it's just as if the adhesive had been completely stripped on this one. So the screen was flopping around. So anyway, what I'm doing here is I'm giving it a clean with some isopropyl alcohol, and I'm going to use some B5000 frame adhesive on it. So purely because I can lift it up just slightly, I'm just going to work my way around the outer perimeter of it and just apply a pretty conservative amount of it. You don't want to apply too much or else it will seep into the actual watch itself and cause potential further damage or issues with the buttons. Now, I do need to be cautious down this bottom section, as that is where the flex connectors that go to the display are. So a bit of caution. It'll have a bit of a look of it up close, thus my head's in the way. But right now I've done 3 of the 4 edges, and I'll keep going along and finish up over here. And right now, pretty happy with it. So what's next for this? What I'm going to be doing is just putting just a soft glass cleaner cloth around it. First of all, going to wipe off the excess glue using just some tissue paper and some isopropyl alcohol just to get rid of that, just so it doesn't produce any major dramas down the line. And then a screen cleaning cloth wrapped around the device and a small little just plastic clamp over it. I'm going to leave that on there for hopefully about half an hour to an hour. And then what I want to do after that is put it on my heat mat, which is the blue mat you can see underneath the watch. And I'm going to leave it on there at 70 degrees Celsius for probably about another half hour. From there it still will need more time to cure, but that should be enough to give it a decent bond to begin with. And hopefully from there isn't any more issues. So this is just a simple video of sticking back down an Apple Watch's display. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.